Welcome to Lesson 4. In this lesson, we will look at 5 prompts for agronomy and crop monitoring. And the goal of this lesson is to show how ChatGPT can support field observation, node organizations, and communications. And now let's look at agronomy support and not agronomic replacement. In crop work, ChatGPT can be useful for checklists. It also helps with node organizations, symptom questioning, or report writing. But it should not be treated as a final diagnosis engine. Its role is to support thinking, not to replace agronomic expertise. Let's look at prompt number 6, Crop Scouting Checklist. This is a strong prompt for agronomist students and farm teams. It helps turn general crop monitoring into a more disciplined observation process. You can also adapt this for wheat, potatoes, soft fruits, berries, vegetables, or greenhouse crops. Look at prompt number 7, Diagnostic questions. This is one of the best ways to use ChatGPT in agronomy. Instead of asking it for a final answer, ask it to guide you thinking through diagnostic questions. This helps reduce oversimplification and encourages proper observations. Let's look at prompt number 8, Weather Impact Interpretation. This prompt is useful for anticipating operational consequences and agronomic implications. You can use it for rain, heat, frost, drought, humidity, or wind. The answer should still be checked against local conditions, but it gives a good first structure. Prompt number 9, Organizing Field Nodes. This is where ChatGPT can be very practical. Many people have rough observations but no clean structure. The model can help separate symptoms, possible causes, missing evidence, and next inspection steps. Prompt number 10, Agronomy Visit Summary. And this is one of the most commercially useful prompts in the whole course. It turns messy observations into a readable report that could save time, improve communication, and make advisory work look more professional. So let's wrap up with key takeaways from this lesson. For agronomy, ChatGPT is excellent at structure, language, and question design. It is weaker at certainty and some details, so use it to prepare, organize, and communicate, not blindly decide.